Hey there, I'm Regina, and today I'm going to share with you how I create creative flower portraits underwater using ink. Here's a little behind the scenes of my setup. What I'm using to hold the flowers in the tank is called a flower frog. I bought a set of 3 of these off Amazon. They're weighted, they're really heavy, so they keep the flowers down at the bottom. And then I have a few syringes that I purchased off Amazon as well, plastic ones. And then I have my acrylic paint set up and ready to go. I set up my camera, lined it up, got my focus in place, and then I will put on interval setting. So let's go to I have 25 shots every 3 seconds, and I am good to go. So I will get these ready. There we go. With this setup though, I recommend having something dark underneath your tank and something dark in the background as well. That will help eliminate reflections. I'm wearing all black right now, so that helps eliminate me from reflecting in the glass. And as you can see here, as I shift and move, there's a reflection, so I always kind of stay off to the side when I'm adding in the ink. So let's get going. Try to do little bits at a time. And I try to add different colors to change things up. Little drops. As you can see, the water is just kind of, or the color I should say, the ink is just sitting on the bottom, which is creating this really neat kind of like cloud effect. So let's add some more pink in there. And I prefer to water down the acrylic so it doesn't come out clumpy. Just kind of letting it catch. And then you can also add color around it to kind of create like a background. And it kind of fills it in and sets up your scene. And there's my setup. Let's go ahead and add some purple in there and see how that looks. Would help if this was set up.